I'm assuming that you are building your business, e-commerce business, so that you can make yourself some lovely, lovely money. Now, if that's the case, you probably want to work out how much money you're going to make. And that comes down to something called ROI. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through what ROI is and how you can calculate it really simply for your business. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you build your business, whether that's on Amazon, Etsy, Shopify or eBay, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because we post brand new content each and every day all about helping you build your own cashola creating business right here in Australia. All right, let's get into it. Neil, how to calculate your Amazon ROI. How to calculate your Amazon ROI. So, ROI means return on investment. Return on investment. So let's just have a quick look. What have I got up here? Pretty simple. A return on investment. Let's suppose you buy $100 worth of stock. Pretty simple. $100 worth of stock for your store. Let's actually call it $1,000. $1,000 worth of stock for your store, okay? You get it shipped over. We'll talk about this in just a second. You get it shipped over from China into Australia. You get it through customs. You put it into Amazon. You pay the storage fees at Amazon. You list it on Amazon. You sell it on Amazon. So you pay the commission for Amazon charges you, and you also pay the FBA fees for Amazon to send it to you, and then Amazon sends you some money back. Okay, that money that Amazon sends you back, that's your own pre-tax net profit. That's what it is, pre-tax net profit. So if that is also, if you get back say 2,000, well, you've made 100% return on your investment. So you started with 1,000, and then you get back your initial $1,000 plus another $1,000. Well, you've doubled your money. Therefore, you've made 100% ROI. And then, of course, what you would do is you would take that $2,000 and spend it on wine. Or alternatively, you could spend it on more stock for your store and just keep doing that and doing that and doing that. That's actually the way to build real wealth. 100% ROI is very, very easy to do on Amazon. And we always look to turn over our stock 3 to 4 times a year, so you can be at, significant amounts of money by the end of it. Anyway, that's how you do it. Now, there is a calculator at Amazon, which is over here. So let's just go through the process of a calculation. Let's just do, what have I got up here? Let's just do this one. So this was something I was looking at earlier. Not for America, by the way. This is, I was looking at it to sell it in France, just so you know. And our dimensions, let's have a look at our dimensions. What have we got here? 16 by 1.8 by 60. 16, 1.8 by 60. And what was the weight of it again? 11 pounds. And let's suppose it's in the, we put it into the furniture, including, oh, it's all furniture. Kitchen maybe. Maybe it will go in kitchen. It will probably go in kitchen, but Amazon might move it somewhere else, okay? This is really good. If you haven't used this before, you should absolutely use it. It allows you to work out all of your different margins, okay? It allows you to work out all your different margins. So, what have we got here? So this thing sells for $79.99. So say $80, okay? Amazon fulfillment, $80 is what it's going to sell for. Shipping cost to get it to Amazon, what is it? Geez, I don't know. Looks pretty light, pretty big though. But if we send it sea freight, let's suppose that's going to cost us $4 a pop to get it sent over. We want to store, I don't know, 10 units. The cost of the product, what do you reckon we could buy that for in China? What do you guys reckon we could buy that for in China? If we were going to buy it in China, what do you reckon that would cost? You tell me. Why can't I see your screen? I can only see. Just hide my lovely face and you'll be able to see my screen. I'm going to talk about a good ROI in a second. $10, $8, $5, $6. So what have we got there? Say $7.50 is a good average of what you guys have said. Cost of product $7.50. Boom, doom, and then we just calculate it out. So this would make us a $38 profit per sale, which is a net margin of 47% on what we're initially doing it, okay? Net profit, net margin, which is pretty good. I'll take that any day. Any day. So net profit, 38%. Very, very nice. So that's how you calculate your Amazon ROI. That was a video from my regular Monday night open Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members right around the world, all building their own e-commerce businesses. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. If you'd like to find out more, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.